pink when you're blushing inside. Baby pink.
Hey beauties, welcome to my channel, and today we are gonna get into this Hergivenhair. So Hergivenhair comes with everything you need. It comes with a product description, okay? The wig that I got is a 18-inch kinky curly wig. This also comes with some combs and a headband and a little booklet that's going to tell you exactly how to apply it and tell you a lot more about the company. So I know this hair texture is scaring you because right now it looks like a big dread. But wait till I put this bad boy on. This wig comes with 3 combs, 2 on each side and 1 in the back of your head, the nape. The wig is also pre-plucked, so you don't have to plug anything if you don't want to. The lace is transparent, and this is what the hair looks like once I started fluffing it. I love it so far. Okay, so I did my makeup and washed this wig, guys. So this wig is not really wet right now. It's more so damp, and I love it even more. If this wig would stay damp and just kind of give me this look, it would be my favorite wig. But just like your 4C, 4B hair, honey, the shrinkage is real. But let's move on and I'll show you how I fix that problem. So the lace on this wig is also transparent and it is pre-plucked. So you don't have a lot to do, okay? Now I'm going to cut the lace, and I'm going to make sure that I cut the lace in a jaggedy way, because if you cut your lace wig in a straight line, it's gonna look unnatural. You want it to mimic your natural hairline. And I'm not saying you got jaggedy edges. I'm just saying, okay? And this is a full lace wig, guys. So you also want to cut the lace in the back. And now, I'm gonna take my foundation, okay? Because ain't nobody got time to be bleaching no knots. See, I don't like to bleach my knots, so I'm sure as hell not about to spend all that time gluing on this wig, okay? So with my got to be glue hairspray, I'm going to spray that around my edges. And yes, I do spray this around my edges. I haven't had any hair loss with this. And I also use warm water to remove my wig at the end of the night. And then I saturate my edges with some good old Jamaican castor oil, okay? And I do this because I do not like my wigs to be too close to my eyebrows. And then I tie my edges down with a silk scarf for about 10 to 15 minutes. Hey y'all, I am back, honey. Y'all, this hair is sitting. So let's take off the headscarf because we have to do the edges. And look at that. The bad part is, guys, I don't have any got to be glue. However, we're gonna use some of this. I don't really like too much baby hair in my wigs because I'm not a baby. No, I'm just kidding. I just really don't. This is what the side looks like. That looks gorgeous. I did not glue down. I mean, yeah, I guess not glue down, but you know, I didn't use the hairspray that got to be glue hairspray on the side of my edges. I really don't care about that. I'm just more so worried about the front. But of course you could glue or gel down or hairspray down anything you want. This is a full lace wig. You can part it in any direction. You can also put it up in a ponytail because the back is also lace. So you can part it anywhere you want. You see that? You can part it anywhere you like. Honestly, if I had some glue, I would like actually glue this wig down. Like, that's how much I love this wig. This side. Y'all, I have a bodysuit on and I normally don't sit with it on. So this is the hair, guys. It's gorgeous. I mean, like, these puff shoulders. It is so gorgeous. Like, push it back, put a little headscarf right there. If you could tie this down perfectly, guys, look, and it'll be perfect. And I wanted to try another style with this hair. I wanted to put in some twists and see how that looks. This is the amount of hair that came out of the wig while twisting it. Hair also came out while I was washing it, but not a crazy amount. However, this hair does shed a bit. All right, you beautiful souls, with my puffs, I am back. So what I did is I actually decided to spray down my edges. And let's take these out, guys. Let's take these out. Okay. Hi. This is it, guys. I find that when I twist it, it gave this hair definitely more body and more length. This is the edges, guys. This is gorgeous. I'm so in love. You know what? I'm gonna buy some glue because I actually want to like completely, look how gorgeous that is. I want to like really completely glue this down and not have to worry about the edges coming up. Let me show you guys the back. This is what the back looks like. You can part it any way you like. All right, we are at the end of the video. Yeah, I don't even want to go. Like, I am just feeling myself. I feel so regal. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave me a big fat thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what y'all think about this wig. Did I bring it or did I? And then, of course, subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Is the truth you can't hide.